Peace, you guys. It's your girl Jade, a premium source of inspiration. This morning, I like to share a word with you guys, and hopefully, you're able to connect with it. So, this comes from Proverbs 27, it's verse 10, and it says, "Do not forget your friends or your father's friends. If you are in trouble, don't ask a relative for help. A nearby neighbor can help you more than relatives who are far away." So I find this very interesting because a lot of times when people have troubles, they like to run to their mom or their dad or their relatives because they feel more connected or more comfortable around these people, especially since you've known them your whole life. But we tend to forget about our neighbors and our friends. They are also here to help us. Um, like me, for instance, me growing up, when I wanted to take my driver's test, no one in my family was able to help me out at the time. They were too busy, or some people didn't have cars, etc. So I felt like I was doing it alone. So fast forward to today, I just passed my driver's test yesterday. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. But the people who pulled together and helped me out the most were my neighbors and my friends. Like, literally, one of my neighbors from my old neighborhood, he was able to literally help me find a car and get it to me. Um, my friends or people I know were able to sit passenger side while I practiced driving. And here I am today. I just passed my test gratefully, and I have a car because of my neighbors and my friends pulling together and helping me out in a situation where before I wasn't able to get that kind of help, only because you can't always rely on your family members. They have lives too. They're busy just like everybody else. But God always sends people your way to help you. So don't forget, do not forget your friends or your father's friends. If you are in trouble, don't ask a relative for help. A nearby neighbor can help you more than relatives who are far away. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.